Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Your iPhone and Apple Watch must meet version requirements, so update if needed. Once done, install Watchsmith on the iPhone and open it to allow calendar, location, and notification access. This lets complications show live data. Next, go to the Watch app, select a watch face, and enable Watchsmith as a complication slot. This first setup links devices and unlocks the custom complication templates you'll configure next. You now build the actual complications that appear on your watch face. Open Watchsmith, pick a complication type, and tweak content. Choose data sources, font weight, color accents, and the size that fits the face. Make use of scheduling to show different complications at times of day. This is powerful because it replaces manual swapping. Once satisfied, return to the Watch app and assign the new Watchsmith complication to the desired position on your chosen watch face, so it displays live. Finish by fine-tuning behavior and adding automation. Set schedules, use location-based triggers, and create shortcut actions to swap complications when routines change. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so data updates reliably. If a complication doesn't update, try a manual refresh inside Watchsmith, reboot the watch, or repair the devices as a last resort. Most issues stem from permissions or background refresh being off. Finally, test changes for a day and adjust timings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.